Assalamu alaikum to all who are listening to me. I trust boys and girls, all of you are superb and are filled with lots of energy in yourself to just gear up your studies. I am your maths teacher, okay, and my name is Gausia Khanam, and I'm here to help you with the math subject this year. So, students, um, are you among them who just get worried when you hear about the maths word? Is it so? So, I just want to say that mathematics is nothing to worry about because maths is all around us. It's the time we wake up from the bed, okay, until we go to the bed for the sleep. The whole day, 24 hours, or at least the time when we are awake, we are just with the mathematics. So we are all around with the math numbers. Okay, so for maths, the basic backbone are your numbers, isn't it? So wherever you see, you have numbers. So when I say maths, the number system is the backbone of your mathematics subject. Okay, and we see around all around us numbers, only numbers. Do you want to know how? See, so already I told you the time when you wake up and still you go to the bed, you are just with your numbers all around you. You just want to discover how is it. Wake up, it's the morning time. So it's already 10 in the morning. Oops, it's a number, isn't it? Now you look at the date today, it's again a number. Alright, when you see the calendar, now you go out of your house number here, it's 1480. It's again a house number. You go on the road, the speed limit is 40, it's a number. Alright, but you're moving at the speed of 55 kilometers per hour, it's again a number. Okay, you make a call to someone, you need to dial numbers or name. So when you go to an ATM, you need to press your pin code, it's a number. So you get money, the money is again a number. You have 200, 500 notes, and it's a number. You go for the restaurant, you have the rates, GST rates are the amounts of that particular item, it's a number. You have so many tables in the restaurant, it's again a number. You took 4 idlis to eat, it's a number. So you took one more plate of bonda, it's 6 in number. So you have 6 bondas and 4 idlis. You got a bill, it's again a number, 126 you got. And if you go for shopping, so of clothes, again it's a number. You got a bill of 3,399 after your shopping. The tag what you have, it's again a number. So if you calculate the total amount in the calculator, so you're using a calculator, again you are calculating the total number, it's again number. On remote, TV remote, you have numbers to change the channels. So you have athletic sportsmen, they have t-shirts on their in t-shirts they have numbers. Okay, so you go for car racing, and now it's time 9:20, again time to sleep now. Like this we can say that numbers are all around us, right? So I can say, if I'm not wrong, I can say like we can't imagine our life without numbers, isn't it? I can say this. Okay, so your first unit for class 6 is numbers all around us. Okay, let's jump into your class 6 first unit. Okay, now we all know that we have 10 digits, okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, these 10 these are called as 10 digits. Sorry, these are called digits. Okay, so and they are 10 in number. So any number what you write, you are going to write only with these digits. Okay, so I hope you haven't seen any number with any number other than which has only these digits, right? Other than this, did you see any number used? No, isn't it? So we use only these 10 digits in all the any kind of number. Okay, so now open your textbook, page number 2. In that you have this table. Okay, following table, you need to write the appropriate answers. Okay, not exact, appropriate one in the table, and you need to write those in words. So first question, situation they have given is number of planets they're asking you. So it is 7, or yeah, in this picture you have 8 planets, right? So you need to write number 8 and in words EIGHT. Now how many students are there? Let's say it's approximately 20. TWENTY. Length of the coastal line of Andhra is 975. That is 975. Okay, what's the value of Ramanujan? It is 1729, 1729. What's the gold cost today? Approximately, if I take 51,000. So you'll write in words FIFTY, 51,000. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Cost of a new tractor, how much it may be? You can take 6. How much is it? It is 6,56,000. Okay, successes of 9999999. It is, if you add one successor mean 1, it is 10 lakhs. What's the population of Andhra Pradesh? Do you know? It's approximately, I can take this as 5 crores 40 lakhs. Okay, students, so you have studied this kind of number writing and also writing in words in your previous class. So you have first place as units, isn't it? Then units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, right? So that's why based on this number, this thing, we have 5 crore 40 lakhs, right? So I hope you remember about your face values and also your place value. What is face value? It is the value of that digit itself. Okay, when we see one example, it will be clear for you all. So place value is what? Place value of the digit is that place. If you have 23, so if I want if I take this 2, so this number 2 is face value. This digit is itself is a face value. Now place value of 2 will be how much? Here this is units and this is tens, right? So this is 2 cross 10 will give, this is 20. So place value is of this 2 digit is 20, right? You have one more example here. Take this. You have number 786. We want the face value is that of 8. Okay, and now they're asking you the what would be the place value of 8? This is unit, tens, hundred. So 8 is in tens place. So 8 cross 10, it is 80. So place value is 80. Okay, students, now just observe this picture. Okay, or the you for finding out the values. See, we have taken an example here. In all these numbers, okay, we are taking face value as 2. Okay, let's take face value 2. Now for every number we will find what is the place value. All right, so 2 this is just number 2. What is the place value for this? It is in units place, so it's just 1, isn't it? So place value is what? 1. Now what is the place value for 23? This 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10 is it is 20. So this is place value is 1, right? So 2 cross 1 will give you 2. Okay, so for this number, place value and face value, it is same. Okay, move on to this. Here the face value is 2. Okay, now we want to know what is the place value of 2 now. What is the place value? This is under 100. So you will multiply this with 100. So your face value, place value is 200 for this. Next, move on to this. This is in thousands place. 2 is in thousands place now. So place value is what? 2 multiplied by 1000. So it is 2000. So you read the number totally like this: 2345, isn't it? So since this 2 is in hundreds place, so 234, we read like that. Now let's come to this number. This is in 2 is in 10,000s place, 3 is in thousands place, so 23,456, we read like that. So what was the place value of 2 now? How you'll calculate? It is 2 cross, it is in 10,000s place, so 10,000. So this, when you multiply, you get 20,000 place value. All right, now place value for this is, it is in lakhs place. Okay, so you'll multiply this with 1 lakh. Okay, so how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 will give you 1 lakh. So this is your, this number you read it as 2,34,567, isn't it? All right, so we have different places like this. Okay, place values we have found, and this way you are going to calculate your, what is your face value and your place value. All right, so your place value is just multiplication of your face value and value of the place. So you have value of the place is nothing but units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So that number you are just multiplying with the face value. Value of each digit, okay, the value of each digit, it depends on its place. Okay, this is the number 23. The value of this each digit, it is dependent on the place they are. So the place of 2 is what? It is in 100. So the value of this place will become 200. Right? The value of place of this in this number 234 for 3 is how much? 30. Right? Because it is in tens place. And for 4 it is 4, because it is in units place or ones place. So this preceding leaf, it starts, when it starts from right to left, when it is moving from right to left, the value is increasing by how much time? Every time it is increasing by 10, isn't it? So here it is just 4, and here it is increased for this value play for 3, it is increased 10 times, isn't it? And here we are multiplying with 100. Here also it is increased compared to 30, it is increased 10 times. So as we are moving from right to left, the value increases 10 times. All right, if I take one number like you have 1 5 2 3. Okay, let's give the places for this units: 10, hundreds, and this is thousands. Okay, so the place value of your 3 is what? It is 3. And place value for 2 is what? 20, right? Because it is in tens position. And place value for 5 is what? It is 500, because it is in hundreds position. And the place value of 1 is what? 1000. Okay, so because it is in thousands place. So as it is coming from the right to left, its value is increasing by 10 times each. Okay. Now in today's class, let's see a different methods or comparison, how we do comparison of numbers. Okay, see, if you want to compare numbers, you can use the number line, or it's simply a number scale, isn't it? It becomes easy for you to compare the numbers on the scale, right? Or see, it is starting from 0 and it is still 20. So what is one is less than sorry, 1 is greater than 0, isn't it? 1 is greater than 0. Now what about 7 and 12? 7 is coming first. Okay, so this is less, the 7 is less than 12, right? On number line, it becomes easy for you to just look and compare. But for big numbers, it is not possible to go with your scale or number line. Anyway, so if I want to when I move from left to right, the numbers are in increasing order, right? 0 is the smallest number, so it is increasing from left to right. So this is increasing order, or or you can say ascending. Okay, so since it has started ascended from 0 to 20, that is, it is increasing, right? Increasing or ascending. Okay, if I move from 20 back towards 0, that means it is descending. So from 20, which is a biggest number, okay, it is getting down step by step to 19, then 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 till 0. So from 20 to 0, if you come, you call it as decreasing order, right? The numbers are in decreasing order, or the other word is what? Descending. Okay, I hope you all know about this already, but just as a revision, how you compare the numbers on the number scale, we have seen this. So here you can see 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, from the scale 2 is less than 3, 4, all till 20. You can say 19 is less than 20. So this order, it is just representing the increasing order or ascending order. In the opposite manner, if I write here 20 is greater than 20 is greater than was 19, 19 is greater than 18, 18 is greater than 17, 16 greater than 15, greater than 14, and so on. I'll take in the middle Here if suppose it is 4 which is greater than 3, it is greater than 2, and 2 is greater than 1, 1 is greater than 0. Okay, so we are starting from 20, okay, and which is greater number, and we are going to 0. So this is what your descending order. Okay, descending order. All right, let's move on to the, I think let us stop today till here, and let's resume or continue with the that is comparison of two numbers, or comparison of numbers by counting the number of digits. So how many digits you have? You have 0 till 9. Okay, these are called 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, these are digits. Okay, they are using all these digits, you number, you have a number, you get a number. Okay, so 123, it is a number, it has 3 digits in it, 1 2 and 3. Okay, okay students, let's stop here, and until we meet in the Zoom meeting, I would like to say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.